process of offset printing. Opening shot. A serene printing press room bathed in soft lighting. The camera pans toward a magnificent offset printing press, its mechanical parts gleaming. Narrator, voiceover. In the heart of this tranquil setting, a masterpiece of precision and creativity unfolds. The artful dance of offset printing. Scene 1. Plate preparation. Close-up shots of skilled hands engraving a metal plate with intricate designs. The camera captures the meticulous etching process, revealing the depth and detail. The narrator's voice conveys the craftsmanship involved in creating the plate. Narrator, voiceover. Scene 1. Plate preparation. Here, a symphony of craftsmanship transforms a simple metal plate into a bearer of art. Scene 2. Ink application. Vibrant ink is poured onto the ink bed. Ink rollers come to life, their rhythmic motion distributing ink evenly. The camera captures the roller's balletic movement, elegantly coating the plate's raised areas. Narrator, voiceover. Scene 2. Ink application. The ink rollers, like artists, choreograph a dance of colors, laying the foundation for the masterpiece. Scene 3. The rubber blanket dance. The rubber blanket delicately meets the inked plate. Slow-motion shots depict the transfer of the image with grace and precision. The narrator describes the rubber blanket's role as a conductor of beauty. Narrator, voiceover. Scene 3. The rubber blanket dance. In this pas de deux, the rubber blanket receives the inked legacy, ready to embrace paper. Scene 4. Imprint on paper. The rubber blanket's rhythmic embrace of paper creates a captivating imprint. Close-ups reveal the artistry of each stroke as the image materializes. The narrator emphasizes the union of technique and vision on the canvas of paper. Narrator, voiceover. Scene 4. Imprint on paper. With every touch, the rubber blanket paints the canvas of paper, immortalizing the design. Scene 5. Precision and perfection. A panoramic shot showcases the synchronized motion of the offset press's components. The camera zooms in on gears, rollers, and cylinders working in harmony. The narrator highlights the symphony of accuracy that elevates each print. Narrator, voiceover. Scene 5. Precision and perfection. Every gear, every roller, every whisper of motion composes an orchestra of precision. Scene 6. The final flourish. Printed materials emerge and pass through drying chambers. The camera captures the graduate.